and they attack children, balagraha. So now how to solve this, or how to be free from this? And then Yashodama is telling, chapter 6 of Srimad Bhagavatam, verse 29. Sarve nashyantu te Vishnur nama grahana virava. Just take nam grahana. Just take shelter of Vishnu Nam, and that will, all these subtle beings will run away in fear. Yad bibeti, it says in second canto, Yad bibeti swayam bhayam. It says that Krishna is feared by fear personified. Swayam bhayam. The personification of fear runs away from Krishna and Krishna's Nam. So this is the answer, that we only need the holy name. Nam grinan akilan shotrin sadya punati. Oh, I was citing this verse. This is in 10:629. So then I said to my teacher, I said, okay, that's fine. Adults can understand this and take shelter. But again, back to the babies. 6-month-old baby, he's not going to start chanting Hare Krishna. If he does, it's quite a miracle. He's not even saying anything. He's not saying ma, ba, gaga, anything. So what to do? He said, okay, the parents, the children can wear, but then as soon as they can understand something and speak, then the parents should teach them. That I put on this kavacha because you could not chant and were too innocent and foolish and to understand any teachings. So now that you're 6 years old or 7, you take shelter of the holy name. It's not what to speak of adults walking around with kavachas and whatnot. This is not the teachings of the Bhagavatam. This is not the teachings of Prahlad Maharaj. And it's not the teachings of Yashodama or our Guru Parampara. It's become quite a fashion in different spiritual amongst different spiritual groups to wear the Nishringa kavachas. But if we see historically, and some of us have been around, like myself, I've been around this spiritual line of thought for 45 years. And during the time of A.C. Bhaktivedanta's prakat, his manifest presence on this earth, never saw. And if you look at the photographs of the acharyas and whom we worship and the parampara of various missions, we don't see any kavachas. Guru Shastra, we should follow Guru Sadhu and Shastra and Sadhu. Shastras are saying, take shelter of Nam. The Sadhus are taking shelter of Nam, and Guru is taking shelter of Nam. Namashraya.